Oh, y'all came out here to the beach. There's no nice out here. Look at the sun. Y'all, we gotta get back in nature. It's so nice out here. Birds flying. Look at this. Man, just look at the water. We got the toes out. The water feels so lovely. Y'all, so I bought the products so I can retwist my hair. So I might do a video. Well, I am gonna do a video later when I get back to the house. Y'all listen to that. Sun booming. Gotta get back in the sun. Time for me to do a retwist. Hello, y'all rolling me saying that I need to do it too much, but I can do it. I gotta get these fat popping. They all right, but so it'll be my second month. Well, I left August 25th. So September, it'll be like my second month of being locked. Ugh. But like I said, I can't get with this new girlfriend. Like, oh my gosh. Look at that sun. Nature. So nice out here.